hello, Sanwenani Dumelang Abusheni. Once again, it's your girl Knowles, all the way from Enumbi again. Welcome to Kulumanami, guys. Welcome. I missed you guys so much. I know I've been away for quite some time now, but I'm back with a bang. So, guys, today I have a very special visitor. Please help me welcome my guy here, Quinton. Hi, Quinton.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And yourself?
I'm good.
Welcome to Kulumanami. Yes. I'm just going to give you the platform to introduce yourself. Tell my viewers about yourself. Who's Quinton? Before anything, please, those shades. Yes, thank you.
Okay, Ninjani.
Yes.
Kamalam Quinton Alex Mbunela, known as Quinton D, vocalist.
Okay.
On my social media is Quinton D, vocalist. On Facebook is Quinton D, vocalist. On Instagram is @Quinton D, vocalist.
Where are you from?
I'm from Game.
Wait.
Jerusalem.
Okay.
I represent Ijeko.
Okay.
Shout out to all my fans. How are you?
Great. Okay. So, Ukuma Jerusalem.
Yeah.
And you said you are vocalist. Did you say that?
Yeah, vocalist.
So basically, you just sing.
I sing, I rap.
You sing, you rap.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us more about yourself. Ukulele, like Jerusalem.
Yeah, Dalang Jerusalem.
Mm-hmm.
There are a lot of things dealing busy to what I can say. Busy in my shop.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a music, I'm a songwriter.
We have musicians also around, like have you ever worked with any of them before?
Yeah. The most ilang sebenze nabo. Ngisebenze na Phufu wasemzansi.
Okay.
From studio.
Is she from Game?
Yeah, Wala Game.
Okay.
Futhi banana a PMP company.
Okay.
So ngisebenze nayo kungoma lethi I just grew up in the jungle.
You just grew up in the jungle.
It's
Yeah.
representing an African child.
Okay.
From an EP.
Okay.
Yeah, but I call it an EP for now because I sing Arabile, but it's an album.
Okay.
It's African sound.
It's African.
African.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years.
24 years old.
Yeah.
Tell me, what brings you to my show?
Yeah, what brings you to your shows is that say Mr. Price, I met Sweezy and we talk about Sweezy. Sakhuluma wathi na dog ngibona ngemalele ebengifuna uprocast yami.
Yes.
Then wathi there's some lady lenga send kuye for your interview because it is important as an artist ukuthi udithole experience yourself. Utshela abantu ngendlela lo ungakhona most it get attracted to my viewers.
It does. And how has life been for when? Okay, I know for a fact that you did say that you're a musician, right?
It's nice.
Yes. And then apart from music, you also Baba shop.
Yeah, Baba shop.
Is that how you're surviving? Because one thing I've noticed, I remember last time I was with Bradley here, and we spoke about the way my young artist, as in Mpumalanga, and more especially around the game, you know, it's like akusilula ukuthi ubone umswati loculako athuthuka empilweni, you know. So how has that been difficult? How has life been for you with regards to that? How have you been coping with and stuff? How have you been surviving?
Life has been so amazing, but when we go through the music, through this industry, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. As Nishon on the other side, I have my own business.
Yeah, that's how you survive.
That's how I survive. Because music, we don't get much bookings. We're not recognized as my artists.
Especially musicians from Mpumalanga.
Yeah, from Mpumalanga. It's not easy. Another thing, good tough. Sometimes you feel like because
give up.
Give up. And what I'm so grateful about Unkulunkulu God.
Yeah.
And he's always there blessing us, giving us the energy. But sometimes we are feeling like
it's not worth it.
approacher njengabo Chilasi, approacher.
You do approach those places.
Yeah, I do approach those places. Njengamanje ngidoba ngine-gig.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, but nakhona kufanele ukuthi ngiyaku-volunteer for now.
Okay.
Kule ya Oscar Mbo.
Okay.
I'm gonna be there. And I also volunteer ku Kachiri last week on Christmas in July. Ngibonga nje Katafu. Yeah, it was nice because ungivulele tandla.
Yeah.
Ngakhona nje kuba khona lapha. Yeah, he's a great guy Katafu. Ngibabonile nje labaningi ba-approachile but ngithe mangifika kuye akuzange kwaba that difficult wayi-understanda washo ukuthi mfethu ngisendele ingoma yakho ngamsendela 3 tracks walalela and waphuma nengoma leyi-1 layithanzile yena esayidini lakhe washo ukuthi I just love this song igama layo siyibita nge-style sami that's the title of the song.
Can you give us a bit usiculalela wena kancane?
Oh, the song man. Okay. Dalu kwelenge style sami, kwelenge style sami, dalu kwelenge style sami, kwelenge style sami, darling ngicela ubisi igama lami, ngicela ubisi igama lami, darling kwelenge style sami, yeah, kwelenge style sami, kwelenge style sami, kwelenge style sami, darling ngicela ubisi igama lami. I can
tell you enjoy it. You just sing. It's just in you.
I know my songs. I know my songs.
Yeah, I can tell you. So do you like have an album so far?
Yeah, I do have an album.
You do.
But for now I'm resting. I'm taking a rest. Because it's tough. The industry is not easy. Some other people they can say, "How I want to kupuke manu back much dialogue." No, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Because you wait from some people labai there.
Have you ever tried also advertising your music through my social media platforms?
Yeah.
We have a lot of those. You can just put your music hashtag ubaligama lakho and then.
Exactly.
Have you ever tried that?
I tried that. It's on Audiomack.
Yeah.
It's on
all this.
Facebook.
All this.
All those platforms.
Yeah.
But akhona lawa vela athi like registration.
Okay.
Njengabo what's in iTunes. Bo Spotify.
Yeah, all the
yeah. Angisengakafiki lapho. Yeah, because last year kwakumele ngabe ngeJozi. There's my manager Mr. Malaza.
Oh, shout out to Mr. Malaza. Thank you for managing him.
Yeah, manager yami ngeleyo. Then I also met another manager yakhona la Mpumalanga. Ubhuti Mfundo.
Okay.
Usebenza lapha eGas.
Yeah.
But kube tough nyana nje because naye ubusy into yakhe.
Yeah.
Also the other guy Jobek endabe nje ababusy kakhulu. Bekumele travel aye eCape Town.
Okay.
Utholakala ukuthi ayisaphumeleli ngelo lebesiplan. Yeah, but I'm so grateful ukuthi ubuyile back namanje sisazamazama. So still the album le isahleli African Sound. Yeah, with ngibita njalo African Sound. Yeah, African Sound ngibita njalo. Vision into the sound of the music.
Okay.
Vision into the sound of the music.
You know, Martin, how can I put it? Life is very difficult.
Too much.
Life is very difficult. But if there's one thing I've noticed, Uguti, it's not good to give up. Especially on something that you love and you have so much passion for.
Exactly.
Do you understand?
Exactly.
You love singing. I can tell, even right now when you're singing your song, I can tell it's in you. It's something you know. And I feel like you need to push. Eventually, it will get there.
Exactly.
Do you understand? Though it's difficult, especially if you're a musician from Mpumalanga, it tends to be more difficult.
Yeah.
Because now, like you said, you guys don't easily get booked and stuff. So, but otherwise, have you tried to go my social media platforms where you get those celebrities?
Exactly.
Maybe an audio where you're singing or ingoma yakho or something.
Yeah.
Just to showcase your talent. Have you ever tried doing that?
I haven't tried. Last time I was at work at a PNP company. I just met this guy, the Prince.
The Prince, yes.
Yeah, the Prince was a quality.
Okay.
And I approached him. Sakuluma, what's in okay, go through his social media. I'm on Facebook. On inbox. And it's to kuluma give his kalosa.
Yes.
I tried it.
I'm not sure if I've ever heard of the Prince.
Never heard of the Prince.
We are told or
yeah, we are told.
So I feel like you should also go to Ubabo. We have those celebrities they're into what you're doing.
Yeah.
You go through each of them, you send them what you have. I guess it's more like trying your luck.
Exactly.
It might work out eventually. Tell me about your barbershop. How is that going?
My barbershop, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Everything it's well, it's going well.
You're getting a lot of customers.
Where
are you doing it so people who are watching can get to come and support you?
What I'm doing there in Chai haircut, most a little bit like Legendary.
Okay.
It's a wave.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm using the product from Legendary.
Okay.
Wave control.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, where are you doing it? We ended up.
Josalema Pagati. Go shop Yemandia.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an Indian shop. Yeah, like cleaning.
You're hustling.
I'm hustling.
So tell me, Quentin, who do you stay with? Do you have parents, siblings?
Yeah, I have parents. Actually,
parents.
Yeah, I'm staying with my mother, my little sister, and my little brother, and my uncle.
So it's your mother, your little sister, your little brother, and your uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, and who's like the provider there?
For now, we're going to like Botswana, from far from a distance, and I'm like Karago.
Okay.
Because actually I'm Gogo.
And where's Gogo currently?
She passed away.
I'm sorry.
2020.
Sorry about that.
So, Gunjalo. Asikho tude ngiyababona nabo banokuda yabona because mina ngihlala oledi kahle.
Would you say that you are currently taking care of yourself? You fending yourself?
Yeah. I'm a breadwinner myself.
Oh, you're a breadwinner.
Yeah, at this age of 24, I'm a breadwinner myself.
At home?
At home. At my grandma's house.
At your grandmother's house?
Yeah.
That's where you live?
Yeah, I'm living with my uncle there.
With your uncle there?
Yeah.
So basically you see things through, you make it a point to go to there's bread.
Yeah, exactly.
There's, okay.
That's why I'm pushing hard, pushing hard to the limit, pushing myself through.
You're trying by all means
to
make
the music, to my business. Everything in
How old are you again? 24?
24.
Yes. Yeah. And you okay. You don't have any kid?
Yeah, I don't have a kid.
You know, the reason why I'm asking, right, it's because we have a lot of kids out there who are breadwinners as well, you know.
Yeah.
Some of them are very young, some of them are younger than you, you know. Exactly. Yes. But most importantly, I'm just glad you instead of keta impilo yebugeveng, you know, or keta impilo yokmanu uyohlala estradini, you know, or just be those people who just smoke and do nothing with their lives. You chose to hustle.
I chose to hustle.
We need examples like you in this life. We need people who would hustle, people who are not just going to stay at home and do nothing.
Yeah, not do nothing, exactly.
Because now with that money you make a barbershop, at least you get to buy bread.
Exactly.
You get to buy tea bags.
Exactly.
You get to buy fish oil and all those things.
Exactly.
You know. And we also have boys out there very young. They're not doing anything with their lives. Some of them are talented in general, they know how to sing. But they can't, they don't even know where to start. What would you like to say to them? I mean, like, what advice would you give to them?
Okay, my advice, what I can give to them,
yes.
In general, they better stand up on themselves. Banga give up. We have to see talent lokucula. We have to khona dlala ibhola. Bosesi basketball, bona nje. They better stay back like it ndzabeni letinjenga bona yeah, and stuff. So you better participate kule nto le uyibona ukuthi ngayikhona ungaveli uhlale yeah labanye ngasho nje according for i-hustling labanye bakhona kuchina yabona yeah kuningi labanye bakhona kubada in yabona we African child yabo we black so kwamele si hustle senele into leyo yabo so encouragement yami ne-advice yami ngisho njalo nje ngithi umuntu nomuntu akaphushe kuloko akukhonako angahlali because nami I've been pushing a lot of young people starting 2022 bengihost ama-pageants ama-modelings bengibhizi ngabo-miss optimistic benginakshiri u-Ayanda from Jerusalem Ayanda Bende bengisebenza naye silekelelana lapho yena wahosta i-Miss Optimistic Mbombela and then I was the first hoster from i-Miss Game Talent Show lapho kunemagician kunama-dances kunebequli a lot man and etc so ngasho nje ukuthi into leto abatiyele and kwamanje nje siyayiplela futhi ukuthi ibuye le show leyo back.
Okay. What's the name of the show again? Miss
Game Talent Show.
Oh, Game Talent Show.
Talent Show. It represents.
We would love to have that again. That would be nice. That
Game Talent Show. Ibe khona last year. So Mukhamba is losing energy because it's lose because it's part of business also.
Yeah.
It's part of business. You're a promoter, but it's also part of business.
Yeah.
So the registration for Mama Modeling was only 100 rand. Yeah, everything, food and everything. My toilet lapana. My participators, Kulisama girls. Yeah, gee, it was so beautiful.
Everything was nice.
After a Miss Game Talent Show, Valenzela in Miss summer season. Yeah, I sang yaba stronger than in Miss Game Talent Show.
Yeah.
So yeah, 7 days but I sang ibe
that
So I figured in Miss Optimistic Mbombela, it was so big. Then we were trying to see voting to Miss Game Talent Show and Miss Optimistic Mbombela. We are bringing it back again. Yeah. So Sisama Bushlanisa back ibuye the show before December.
Before December.
Yeah, maybe to back on around September.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's just busy now.
Okay, so we are over, ne? And honestly speaking, I'm impressed with what you're doing.
Yeah.
Apart from the talent of Ola, you know, and okay, I know the barbershop thing, it's just hustling, it's mainly hustling, it's not a talent. Ne? Apart from those two, apart from singing, which other talent do you have? And you did it and you noticed that I can do this, I'm very good. Yin gang. Apart from singing. Except singing.
Except singing, and part of barbershop and etc. It's being an MC.
MC.
Yeah.
You also good at that. You remember that run the show. You do an excellent job. Until the end. Yeah. You know how you outspoken.
I'm even flowing. I'm free.
You're free.
True that. I'm free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thought you were gonna say photography.
Yeah. Even I'm not even afraid of the crown.
Yeah.
I just face the crown.
You just face the crown.
You're not
afraid. Yeah. Okay. That is nice. One day, around me, I'll be like, I speak any Quentin, so we can say that. Okay, no, honestly speaking, I love what you heard. So you said to me, Uvengami through Sweezy.
Yeah.
And when you were speaking to Sweezy, the aim was to advertise or showcase your talent, right?
Talent.
Do you feel like you're currently doing that?
Yeah.
And would you want to give us one rap song?
Oh.
Because you did sing for us, but as for rapping, you did not do that part.
Yeah, I didn't do that part. Okay, you want me to rap then?
Yes.
Okay. I think maybe I'm gonna need a beat. I don't know.
No, I can do it for you.
You can.
I'll do like. You see, like that. Is it fine?
Let me just go maybe to a cappella or something.
But I'll try to tune in. I'll try to help and tune in.
Yeah, you can tune it.
Okay.
By the way, you know. Okay. Let's be like, yo.
Just try. Are you gonna try next time?
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna try. It's not that easy because it's a
Yeah.
It's not gonna easy. But
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Even if it's just a small, a small portion. You don't have to like sing a whole song or rap a whole song.
I don't have to sing the whole song.
You can just probably say the bridge. I'm not sure if there's a bridge part in rapping, but yeah, just that part.
Okay. What's the song? There's this song. Okay. Yeah. I think it's a story. Along to Melissa. Wafika empilweni yam, and everything came so amazing. She understand that music, it's in my heart, yeah. Babe, I won't stop till I get it, yeah. I won't stop, yeah. I won't stop till I get it. Nobody knew but we never make it. We gotta make it. We gotta pull through to the season. We're making it. What do we need for the new season? Yeah. It's been a moment. It's been a while. It's been a while.
Yeah. You haven't rapped for a while.
Yeah.
So you told me you've been to places also, ne? You'll be going to Chile soon. Last time you were at Chile. But just tell me about that one place, that one experience you'll never forget, the one you've been at. When you think about that part, you're like, yeah, that was like my best performance.
What I can say about that part, ne? I just felt so amazing being there, ne?
No, I mean that one place. Where was it? That one place that you've been at. Like, you're like, oh, I mean, it's important.
Yeah. I can say Gachuri vibe.
Yeah.
I always go there.
There was which event? Which event was there?
It's that from Game July.
Oh, it's the one from Game July. Okay.
Exactly, and we go to Christmas in July.
Oh, okay.
That's where I had my performance.
So last year they had Game July.
Last year?
They didn't.
They didn't.
The Christmas in July it's this year.
It's this year.
Oh, you're still gonna have it? Yeah.
Yeah. So only those two shows, only those two events. That's where I felt like being at home.
As if you were alive, like this is me, I'm doing my
thing.
Yes.
Because like my events now are like band, people from not fighting, removing people from drugs and etc.
And you were able to showcase your talents to people.
Yes. Because there was a lot of crowd there, and I showcased my talent. It was so amazing, the performance. It was so nice, the energy there on stage. The crowd was was filling me and stuff like that. Yeah.
No, I get it. That is so nice.
Exactly.
Okay, let me just move to the last question. Are you in a relationship? I mean, I'm very, I don't know if it's the right word, but I always fish. Before a person goes, I'll ask them that question. Because who knows? Maybe Miss Wright is watching somewhere there and she wants to know. Although I wouldn't advise you to rush such things, but also at the end of the day, chances are, there might be Miss Wright somewhere there watching.
Yeah, I do.
You are in a relationship?
Yeah, I'm in a relationship.
With a girl?
I want to mention her name.
Wow, why not?
Yeah, ladies just comes and go,
So
maybe if for now, but she's my fiance. She's everything, even if we're not married yet. But I take her as
she's like it's a serious relationship.
Yeah,
Love that. Yeah.
No.
Though you don't want to mention her, but okay, all right, she knows herself.
Yeah, she knows herself.
Okay.
Yeah, she's an amazing girl.
Okay,
she's kind of jealous.
Okay.
Always there for me. Kind of silly.
Okay.
I can say that, and a little bit crazy. Just like a girl.
Crazy. Let's dip. Girls are crazy. You
don't want to mess with that girl. You don't want to mess with that girl. Yeah. And she's only 20.
Oh, she's 20.
Yeah, she's 20.
Okay. That's a nice age gap. You're 24, she's 20.
Yeah.
Okay, so, thank you so much for coming. I'm glad you came. Lastly, I wanna hear from you, Uguti.
Okay.
Are you satisfied? Were you able to talk to the people? You said you wanted to talk to Kulumanami viewers.
Yeah, exactly.
And I just gave you the platform to do that.
Yeah, exactly.
So I just want to find out if you're satisfied. Have you said everything you wanted to tell my viewers, or is there still more you want to tell us?
Yeah, there's still more.
Tell us.
But it's from the viewer, and the view is what you want to know. What is it that you want to know?
No. Now I've asked you my questions already.
Okay.
Everything I've wanted to gather, I've gathered it for my for my viewers. You know, I'm satisfied. You know, if there's still more questions about Quentin, you guys can drop a question on our on the comments, and then he'll answer, and I'll also be able to assist and answer where I can. Right?
Okay.
Yes. So is there still more? Is there anything more that you would want to tell our viewers also? Or are you good?
Yeah. But it's about me.
Tell them.
What I can tell them. Okay, as I've said, this is Quentin D, vocalist. Nje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi ngicela nje ukuthi ningifollowishe kuma platforms wami music. Mina nje I'm a good artist. I'm simple as that. Good artist and professional artist at the same time. So ngiyangidinga kule industry njengoba ngisapusha as an Mpumalanga artist, game artist. Ngidinga isupport yini, ngithanda leni ukuthi ningisupporte. Ngiyabonga kubo bonke laba bebangisupport that actually vibe for my performance. So I just want you guys to keep going with your support, show love. Ngaloko ngangijabulisa kakhulu because angeke ngize ngifike la ngifuna kuyofika khona without you guys, so I need you ukuthi ningisupport. Labafuna music wami bangangichecka nje on Facebook lapho sokhuluma ngalokuningi khona bese ngiyashare ama links and everything. Yabonga.
Okay, that is it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Cool, guys. I still love you so much. Thank you so much for being with us, me and Quentin. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Love you all the way to the moon and black.